In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Shopify store password and recover login. 2025 Step-by-Step Guide. First, open your Shopify admin in your browser and sign in so you're on your store's dashboard. From the left sidebar, look for Online Store. That's the area that controls your storefront settings and what visitors see. Click Online Store, then go into Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps general storefront controls like SEO, analytics, and, importantly for us today, store access. On the Preferences page, scroll until you see the Store Access section. Click to open Password Protection. This area controls whether your store is publicly visible or protected by a password. If your store is in development, under construction, or you only want selected people to view it, this is exactly where you turn that on and manage the password. If password protection is off and you want to restrict access, turn it on here. If it's already on and you're trying to check the current password, keep in mind that Shopify won't display an existing password for security reasons. That's normal. Instead, you can set a new one now. Click into the password field, type the password you want visitors to use, and if there's a message box, add a friendly note that explains who should have access or when the store will open. Use a password that's easy to share with collaborators, but not easily guessable. Avoid personal info and keep it short enough for clients or testers to type without errors. Once you've made your changes, click Save at the top or bottom of the page to apply them. After saving, open your storefront in a new tab or an incognito window to confirm the password prompt appears and that the new password works. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh or clear your cache to see the latest settings. A quick tip on login recovery. If you came here because you're locked out of your Shopify admin, use the Forgot Password link on the Shopify login page and follow the reset email to regain access. That resets your account login, which is different from the storefront password you just managed in Preferences. That's it. You've navigated to Online Store, opened Preferences, expanded store access, adjusted password protection, set or updated the storefront password, and saved your changes. Share the password only with people who need access, and remember you can come back here anytime to update it or make the store